In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI in Notion with a simple tutorial perfect for beginners. Notion is an incredible tool for organizing, planning, and collaborating on projects. By integrating AI, we can enhance our productivity and creativity even further. Let's jump right into it. To start, open a page or a block in Notion. This is your canvas where all your entries, ideas, and projects will come to life. Notion provides a blank space that you can personalize with various blocks, and using AI can make it even more dynamic. Once you have your page or block ready, you'll want to activate the AI features. Simply type AI in the text space, or if you have existing text that you want to enhance or analyze, highlight that text. This command will pull up the AI options directly within Notion, giving you instant access to the powerful tools integrated into this software. With the AI options now visible, you'll see a list of suggestions. These suggestions are tailored to assist you in a variety of ways, such as drafting content, editing, or generating ideas. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options. Each one is designed to streamline your workflow and give you a fresh perspective on your project. Choosing the appropriate AI suggestion is crucial based on what you want to achieve, whether it's refining your writing, generating new ideas, or organizing your thoughts more coherently. Now that you've selected an AI tool that fits your needs, you can use it to draft, edit, or conduct research on your project. AI can help you draft documents or emails by providing writing prompts or even typing out the bulk of the text based on your requirements. If you're editing, AI can assist with grammar checks, rephrasing sentences for clarity, or suggesting better word choices. For research, the AI tool in Notion can generate summaries of long documents or find related content and information, saving you precious time and effort. Throughout this process, remember that AI serves as an assistant. While incredibly helpful, it's key to review its suggestions to ensure they meet your standards. Not only does this maintain the quality of your work, but it also helps you learn and improve your own skills. And there you have it, a straightforward introduction to using AI in Notion. With practice, you'll find that these tools can greatly boost your productivity and creativity. Give it a try and see how AI can transform the way you work in Notion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial sets you on a path to more efficient and inspired work with Notion.